Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing hardware and software so the process is smooth. First, update Cronus Zen firmware via Zen Studio and connect it to your PC. This ensures compatibility. Next, plug your Xbox Series X controller into the Zen using a USB-C cable and set the console to allow controller input. Once done, launch Zen Studio, verify device is recognized, and import the Rust profile or script you intend to use. Make sure the script target is set to Xbox Series X to avoid mismatches. You now focus on detailed configuration. Load or create a Rust-specific profile in Zen Studio and tune ADS multipliers, recoil compensation, and sensitivity values. These control feel and accuracy. Then map controller inputs. Ensure triggers, bumpers, and stick curves match your playstyle. Once mapped, use the Cronus Zen in-game overlay or a practice server to test aim assist and dead zones, because values behave differently on Xbox Series X. Make small incremental changes, save often, and document. Finish by saving your tuned profile to the Cronus Zen memory and assigning it to the active GPC slot. Flip the hardware switch to ensure the device is live. In Rust, verify responsiveness across movement, shooting, and building. If you notice input lag, change USB ports, reduce polling conflicts, or adjust console controller settings. If things go wrong, reflash the Zen firmware, reinstall Zen Studio drivers, and test with a different cable or port. This resolves most detection and latency problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.